Hello guys! In today's video, we are going to present you the top 5 best home theater projectors available on the market. We made decisions our personal preference and solidly based on their prices, quality, durability and repetition of the manufacturers. Check the description to find out their prices and more information. I've included the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell button for upcoming video notifications. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Optoma UHD55. Best all-around home theater projector. Why we picked the Optoma UHD55? If you want to experience insane refresh rates while gaming and theater-like quality in your living room at an affordable price, there is no better option than the Optoma UHD55, in our opinion. Officially referred to by the company as the 4K UHD gaming and home entertainment projector, the Optoma UHD55 has 3840 by 2160 UHD resolution and astonishing color to take your favorite films and TV shows and project them in optimal 120+ inch glory to a maximum of 302 inches. The built-in media player allows you to play videos from a USB stick, while Optoma's own App Store gives you access to apps like Netflix, Spotify, and YouTube. You can also mirror Android, iOS, Windows, macOS, and Chrome devices. The UHD55 also supports Alexa and Google Assistant. With 3600 lumens of brightness plus support for HDR10 and HLG, the UHD55 will take anything you throw at it and reproduce it with breathtaking clarity, especially games. PC gamers, in particular, will be treated to the UHD55's enhanced gaming mode, which delivers a 240 Hz refresh rate and low latency for milliseconds response time when playing at 1080p resolution. Playing at 4K isn't too shabby either, with 60 Hz refresh and 15 milliseconds response time, allowing gamers to choose their priority, speed or gobsmacking resolution. 2 HDMI ports, HDMI 2.0 and HDMI 1.4 VGA, and optical connections mean that you'll be able to easily connect the projector to everything under the sun, including older computers and modern streaming devices and sticks. It even has a USB power port, which provides juice for external players and phones alike. Finally, the UHD55 comes with a vast array of color modes out of the box, including hyperaccurate cinema and bright modes, each of which is catered toward a different type of content. Why you should buy this? It offers 4K resolution, a 240 Hz refresh rate, and gorgeous color for the price. Who it's for? Gamers and film enthusiasts who want the best possible image quality for the money. Number 2. Samsung LSP9T Premier Projector. Best smart home short throw projector. Why we picked the Samsung LSP9T Premier Projector? Samsung's projector comes ready for the modern smart home thanks to its Tizen platform, which supports Alexa, Google Assistant, and Bixby, allowing you to give voice commands to control playback, search for shows, or operate other smart devices in your home. With 2200 lumens and a laser engine designed for brightness, you won't have to worry about watching during the day either. This model offers 4K resolution at 120 inches, and the ultra-short throw design means you can place it only inches away and still get excellent results. Like some of our other picks, the Samsung LSP9T Premier also includes a filmmaker mode for authentic projection. And while all projectors benefit from external speakers, this model's 30-watt speakers and subwoofer can do a fine job on their own and give you the freedom to take the LSP9T Premier anywhere. Why you should buy this? It offers a bright, vivid image plus smart home features. Who it's for? Those who use voice assistants in their smart home, and those who prefer a compact image. Number 3. Hisense PX1 Pro Laser Cinema. Best projector for accurate color. Why we picked the Hisense PX1 Pro? This slim projector uses Hisense's Trichroma engine to produce amazingly accurate colors, covering the full range of the BT.2020 color gamut with its RGB lasers. That makes it a great pick for those who are used to a vivid image and don't want to give up any color accuracy on a projector. Peak brightness can reach 2200 lumens, and at 90 by 130 inches, you're guaranteed support for a 4K image. The useful short throw of this projector also means that it only needs to sit inches away from your screen or panel. The model also comes with HDMI eARC, which we love to see for easy setup and speaker pass-through without losing any audio quality or image optimization that your content may support. Dolby Atmos compatibility is also built in for audio improvements, a feature many projectors miss out on. It also works very well with a variety of devices thanks to its Android TV platform, which supports casting via Chromecast so you can project shows and videos from all kinds of apps in seconds. Hisense's Projector also comes with a few different modes to help out certain activities, including a gaming mode that enables automatic low latency, and a filmmaker mode that disables motion processing so you get the most authentic projection images possible. Why you should buy this: it offers great color accuracy and easy setup. Who it's for: those who hate washed-out projections and buyers who want a simple setup. Number 4. BenQ Cine Prime HT3550. Best projector for darkroom cinephiles. Why we picked the BenQ Cine Prime HT3550. Great picture quality is at the heart of the HT3550, which delivers 4K resolution, vivid 2000 lumen brightness, and BenQ's HDR-PRO technology, allowing it to dish out brightness and color balance that rivals HDR10. But where cinephiles might be most interested is in the Projector's DCI-P3 color gamut and cinematic color tech, which is designed to closely reproduce the colors of the Hollywood film industry. Additionally, this dynamic color and contrast make the HT3550 ideal for authentic viewing in dark rooms, allowing for that true movie theater experience. The HT3550 also boasts automatic vertical keystone correction to true up the image when the projector is placed at less than optimal heights, and a 1.3x optical zoom helps you fit the picture to a screen. The HT3550 will throw a 120-inch image from up to 12.8 feet away. Though the HT3550 isn't designed to be portable, it is lightweight enough to do the job. Should you want to put together pop-up viewing events, and a quick and easy setup process makes it equally agile if you plan on toting it between locations every so often. Furthermore, a well-backlit remote helps keep the projector easy to adjust in darkened rooms, and hotkeys help you deal with commonly needed adjustments quickly. With a lamp that should last 4,000 hours at normal use, 15,000 in Smart Eco mode, the BenQ Cine Prime HT3550 should last through years of playback, and with an image quality this good, you won't be thinking about an upgrade for a very long time. Why you should buy this: it sports 4K UHD resolution, HDR support, and 2000 lumens of brightness. Who it's for: film fanatics who want a well-priced projector with color accuracy that's as close as possible to film industry standards. Number 5. AAXA P7 Pico Mini Projector. Best portable projector. Why we picked the AAXA P7. If you often find yourself wishing that you had a big screen in your backpack, you'll want to check out the AAXA P7 Mini HD projector. With up to 90 minutes of battery life per charge, 600 LED lumens of brightness when plugged in, 450 lumens on battery power, and full 1080p resolution that can project an image up to 120 inches in low light, this projector is a bit of a dynamo in a tiny package. And while you likely won't be using this in your home theater, you wouldn't be left in the dark with the P7 if you were having friends over to watch a game or movie in a pinch. The AAXA P7 Pico Mini Projector will last you a while, too. The LED lamp inside the projector is good for 30,000 hours, which means you'd have to use it for hours a day for decades before you need to replace it. If you're looking for a tiny little projector to take with you anywhere, this is the one we'd pick. Why you should buy this: tiny size, big pixels, and long battery life. Who it's for: the on-the-go business people who want full HD visuals and don't want to lug around a huge monitor for presentations.